Good afternoon, Namaste. This is Hira Sahai back again with another DLive Diploma course review video. I'm a DLive certified metabolic health consultant, also the Chief Operating Officer of DLive Healthcare Private Limited. I have with me today Asavari, who has just completed the DLive Diploma course and is now a certified DLive metabolic health consultant too. Asavari, welcome. Please introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for having me here. My name is Asavari. I have done my post-graduation in analytical chemistry. I am basically from Pune, and I have recently completed the certification of the same. And I'm basically from science background, so the course was absolutely fascinating for me.
Yeah, good to know that, Asavari. And tell us, a bit about, why you came to the DLive Diploma course. Why DLive Diploma and not, anything else?
First of all, I had enrolled for a program offered by Dr. Mandar Gadre sir, and the results were stunning. 10 kg weight loss was within just I would say some 5 months or so, and I found that it was above average already. And I started having a lot of energy, which I never used to have. I mean, these experiences I never had in my life, no matter what. So, as my curiosity built up, sir asked me to do the course. That's it. And I have no words for this experience.
Okay, now that you've gone through the course, Asavari, you tell us, what did you like about the course?
Will you please repeat your question, ma'am? Hello. Yes, ma'am. Your video gets frozen in between. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I was asking now that you have gone through the course, tell us about the USP of the course and what did you like about it?
The depth of the course, as I stated earlier, it's unfathomable. um, Application is altogether different. All the misconceptions, they just faded away in seconds. The moment I just went through different chapters, and it takes all. I mean, if somebody is a good critical thinker, then he or she will find that it's all round. It's not just about the theory, it's not just about application, it's both. And in addition to that, being a certified coach, it teaches you how to interact even. I love the most how to interact, how to capture the data, and how to look at it even. I'm running out of words.
Yeah. And what about the community support? Now that you've completed the course and you're still part of the DLife WhatsApp community, you still have
Yes,
access
ma'am.
to the
Yes,
recipes,
ma'am.
to the forum,
And
which
yesterday I tried. Yes, ma'am. I'm so sorry. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
which
Yes.
people do not usually have because they get the certification and then it's the end of the road for them. And they have to figure it all out, by themselves. So how does it work? How is it that you're still in the DLife community? How do you find it? How's the support? How's the community spirit? Everything.
It was absolutely heartwarming to experience that people don't even know aap kale ho ya gore. As I stated earlier, they offer all due love and care and unwavering support. Even though you are certified, even though, I mean, for every step, all senior mentors are just a message away from you. I don't think anyone else offers this. I don't think.
Yeah, and usually everybody has access to the forum course, of course, and the recipes, everything, all the resources of DLife. And most people, I mean, I would say almost all of them are there still after completion of their course and after getting certified, except a few who we remove for violation of TOS because it's complimentary access. WhatsApp community is a complimentary access, forum is a complimentary access. Recipes and everything else is 10 plus years of premium curated data, which is subscription based for people who are not enrolled into the course. But for our enrollees, I think Anup has done this huge gesture to handhold them and to support them for life. No other course does that. You
Absolutely.
pay for the certification, you take the certification, no one cares.
Absolutely.
So this is how D-Life community works. Asawari, tell us, are you already practicing? And if yes, what kind of clients are you handling right?
Right now, I am working with Mandar sir already. So I'm currently assisting in coaching as such. So currently, most of them are diabetic, most of them, and having high HbA1c values, and many of them are overweight also. We have a client who is weighing around 150 kg. So they need a lot of hand-holding, they need a lot of guidance, and mostly hand-holding in the sense they just don't know how to how and what to eat. And I mean, it's not about elimination of food sources, but as rightly said by Mandar sir, it's about choosing basically, not eliminating. So I guess a lot of hand-holding is needed currently. I'm seeing these. I'm just a fresher in this, just a month old.
Yeah, and what is your message to people who are looking to enroll into the course, people who are from the similar background as yours? So, what would you advise them?
Whatever content you learn it by heart. I mean, it's not like that you complete the certification and that's it. Now you know everything and you are pro at everything. It's not like that. You have to refer to those chapters once you start dealing with people. Point number one. Point number two is you have to be very careful, as we cannot play with anyone's health. It's as simple as that. If you need any help, you have to you just can't just let things go. Simply just keep in mind that we are playing with somebody's life, I would say. It's that simple as that. And we are not doctors to prescribe anything, any medication or like that. We are here to heal people with the help of food basically. And we are teaching people how, we are teaching them to change their lifestyle.
Yeah, so what is your message to those who want to enroll into the course?
Just go for it. That's it.
Okay.
Don't rethink. That's it. You just get
Can
enrolled
you
and
hear me?
put your 100% in it.
Is the voice
Yes, ma'am.
clear
Yes, ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am. Just your video is frozen.
Okay. Yeah, so sorry for the technical glitch there. Asa, can you please tell us what is your message for those who want to enroll into the course and probably are contemplating from the same background as yours, maybe?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, even though we are, if even though somebody is doctorate in science, this is something which you mustn't have read, heard, or seen anywhere. This has to be. It's a part of. I strongly recommend that some part, some simplified part, must be there as a part of normal CBSC syllabus, to be more precise. I have been dealing with adolescents since last 11 years, and I see the problem. I see adolescents having central obesity, and I pity them that they don't know, they haven't taught as much as I could. Whenever I used to get time, I used to address children how to eat and what to eat and what not to eat. And as a result of that, there was a canteen in our school, and that man there used to sell vada pav and samosa. That's it. There was nothing else to be sold on daily basis for children. So whenever they used to buy those, and they used to just hide it behind and leave. That's it. I guess somewhere some internal thinking I have provoked, I assume.
Yeah, and a last question, has the money, the fee that you paid for the course been worth it?
Absolutely, ma'am. As far as mentoring is concerned, as far as, I mean, it's worth. I don't feel anything less or more. I don't feel that. It's worth.
Yeah, so for those who are interested in the course, I would probably just sum it up for them. We have the largest content on low carb nutrition and metabolic health in the world. There are 1,000 plus references into the course, to 50,000 plus words, 100 plus relevant videos, lifetime access to the course is there. 6 months additional access to the forum from the start of internship, no recertification clause. We are India's legally tenable course that come under NSDC partner, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. We are the only course approved under this ministry. CPDSO UK accredited, India's only course that's also CPDSO UK accredited with 144 global biggest CPD hours to accredit. We are also the SMHP approved CMHE provider. As I said, the course gives free access to the forum, which has about 250 documented D-Life success stories and 5,000 plus success stories from, our combined success stories from our coaches. There are 2,000 plus original low carb keto recipes, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, 100 plus podcasts as resource material, learning material, call it whatever you want. As I said, there is lifetime access to the course. There is a robust forum of discussion and long threads on cases where you can post your blood work, seek the help of mentors, doctors, certified metabolic health consultants from D-Life. It's a huge, huge community, and all of them are also in the WhatsApp community of practitioners. So this is more or less about the course. I think, uh, the world's biggest low carb community of practitioners, also the world's biggest low carb platform and forum. And of course, the course itself is the global biggest with 144 CPD hours credit. So that's about the course. And thank you, Asavari, for coming and
Thank you,
speaking
ma'am.
to me
I
about
I
the.
would love to add one more point. I repeat, nobody else can offer this support that director and founders interact with new enrollees with all due care, and it's really heartwarming. Seriously, I cannot thank you enough. I can't.
Yeah, so I thank you, Asavari, and I wish you all the best for
Thank
your
you so much,
journey
ma'am.
ahead as a D-Life certified metabolic health practitioner. I'm sure you'll do great and you'll make us proud. So
Thank you so much,
before you
ma'am.
leave, if you want to give out your contact details, your phone numbers, anything, if you want to.
Ma'am, I'll be sharing my LinkedIn profile with on the forum itself. I will. It's fine.
Okay. So this is the end of this uh, D-Life course review video. I'll be back again with another D-Life diploma course review from one of the certified metabolic health consultants from D-Life. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. This is Hira Sahai signing off.
Thank you so much. Bye, ma'am.